first warning weather with Chief Meteorologist Nick Bannin.
All right, it is drizzly and showery now. Not a whole lot of thunderstorms anymore. We saw a cluster of them moving into the hill country and now out. So out of our viewing area, but it's still damp with the drizzle and showers around. And you can see greater coverage in the rain and storms to the north of us. And this is all coming out ahead of a cold front that is going to be serving as the lifting mechanism for additional showers and storms to develop as this front gradually moves eastward through the night and encounters some more moisture-rich and more unstable air, especially near and east of I-35. That's where we think some of the storms are going to grow in coverage overnight and especially into tomorrow morning. So there were the storms earlier. The lightning is now lifted north of the area with the exception of a couple of more recent strikes in northeastern Lampasas County. Generally speaking, though, it's showers and drizzle for most of us. There is that storm in Lampasas, and you can see just southeast of Adamsville a couple of recent lightning strikes there as that one lifts off to the north and east. So we do expect gradually increasing rain and then eventually storm coverage as we get closer to midnight. A lot of that's going to be focused in the hill country at first, which is where it will also be focused for the first few hours of the morning. Then we get closer to 4 or 5 in the morning, starting to see some thunderstorm development in the metro as this broken line of storms gradually converges on I-35, which is where we think it'll be 6, 7, 8 in the morning, making for likely a slow, soggy, and potentially stormy morning commute for you here Thursday morning. And of course, that would mean wet rides to school, kids going to the drop-off line in the rain here tomorrow morning. The downpours and storms move out of the metro counties by about 9 and into our eastern counties, where we'll still have scattered downpours and storms through as late as about midday, and then the sun comes out as we head into the afternoon, mixing with the clouds. Severe weather threat largely unchanged for the late night hours. Northwest of Austin, it's a 1 out of 5 severe weather risk. Large hail damaging winds being the primary concern, but it's a low threat. And then for the rest of Thursday morning, basically from the time the sun is up until midday, it's a 1 out of 5, but then that shifts to include the rest of the metro and our eastern counties as well. The primary concerns then large hail and damaging wind. Not a zero risk for a tornado, but right now it's looking highly unlikely. There is a localized flash flooding threat too. And for most of us, we're at a 1 out of 4 risk. But more recently, within the past couple of hours, the Weather Prediction Center have increased the concern for flash flooding to a 2 out of 4 for far northeastern Williamson County and into Milam County, although I think that the higher flash flooding risk is going to be a little farther north than that. Your day tomorrow then, morning storms, downpours, rain and showers gradually tapering off, giving way to afternoon sunshine with a high of 70. You'll see those highest rain chances at 7, dropping to just a 20% chance of rain at noon, mostly for our eastern counties, and then we're up to 70 with sun in the afternoon. Most of us get a ½ inch to 2 inches of rain. There could be localized higher amounts than that. We've already seen some areas see more than 2 inches of rain just in the last few hours. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, sunshine and low to middle, then upper 70s. 80 on Monday, our first of the year, and then we're back in the 70s again Tuesday and Wednesday with a chance for some morning drizzle.